Can lost AirPods be found if they are stolen?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll be addressing a common concern among AirPods owners. Is it possible to find lost AirPods if they are stolen? Losing or having your AirPods stolen can be frustrating, but let's dive into the topic and explore the options available.
Find My Network and iCloud integration.
One of the features that can come to your aid when it comes to finding lost or stolen AirPods is the Find My Network. This network, provided by Apple, allows you to locate your devices using other Apple devices that are nearby, such as iPhones, iPads, or even Macs. If your AirPods are within range of any Apple device connected to your iCloud account, there's a chance you can locate them. To utilize this feature, make sure you have set up Find My on your iCloud connected devices. If your AirPods are connected to your iPhone and they are stolen, you can use the Find My app on another device to track their last known location. Keep in mind that for this to work, your AirPods need to be in Bluetooth range of a device that has location services enabled.
Play sound and lost mode.
Another useful option available through the Find My network is the ability to play a sound on your AirPods. If you're not sure where you left them and suspect they might be nearby, you can trigger a sound to help you locate them. This can be especially handy if they were misplaced rather than stolen. In case you believe your AirPods were stolen, activating Lost Mode can be helpful. Lost Mode allows you to remotely lock your AirPods, rendering them unusable by anyone else. Additionally, you can display a message on the device they're connected to, providing contact information to reach you if someone happens to come across them.
Reporting the incident and working with authorities.
If you believe your AirPods have been stolen, it's important to report the incident to the relevant authorities, such as your local police department. Provide them with any relevant details, including the serial number of your AirPods, which can be found on the original packaging or in your iCloud account. While it's not guaranteed that the police will be able to recover your stolen AirPods, reporting the incident increases the chances of their recovery. Authorities may be able to track down the thief or identify potential leads through surveillance footage, witness statements, or other investigative means. In conclusion, while finding lost or stolen AirPods is not always guaranteed, there are steps you can take to increase your chances of recovery. Utilizing the Find My network through iCloud integration, playing a sound, activating Lost Mode, and reporting the incident to the authorities are all viable options. Remember to stay vigilant and take precautions to safeguard your AirPods to avoid such situations in the first place. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any other questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.